Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm sitting inside of the GMC Terrain Elevation 2025, first ever. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the auto high beams. I've got it dark outside for the most part, so I'm going to flip you around and show you how to
Now you can see it in the gauge cluster right now where you have auto on. Now in some vehicles you've got a little trick to do it, but in the Terrain they've quite simplified it. So you go into your controls menu and bam, it's right there, auto high beams. Now we're off. I'm going to press it again and it turns back on down there at the bottom. So what that does, it'll automatically shoot up the brights like that when there's low light levels detected. Back roads, highway, as long as there's no cars around or really light levels, it will turn those auto brights on so you do have more visibility.
It is quite simple to the point where it is a little complicated, because before you had a little button on that stock over there. However, I do want to say thank y'all again for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all on the next one.